So, Uttarakhand Premier Tennis League
Uttarakhand
prize
Premier Tennis
distribution
League
ceremony.
2026.
Sanchit Jain.
Please give a big hand for this first season of the Uttarakhand Premier Tennis League. It was held for the last 3 days at the parade grounds, Dehradun. I would like Ashish to present a bouquet to our dear chief guest, Shri G.S. Budial,
G.S.
MD of
Budial,
UPCL.
Managing Director of Uttaranchal Power Corporation Limited, being honored by Ashish West.
I would like Jaya to please present a bouquet to our guest of honor,
Jaya,
Mrs. Kumkum Joshi, SDM Dehradun.
junior sensation in Uttarakhand.
A small token of appreciation, a memento from Uttarakhand Tennis Association for our chief guest who has taken his precious time out and watched the entire finals. He was very, very kind and accommodating because we had to move the timings from the morning to the evening. Thank you so much, sir.
It
Here's a
got
very
delayed.
small token of appreciation for you,
Despite
sir.
of that, out of the busy schedule, MD UPCL G.S. Budial finds time for
Can I
the sports.
request Mr. Pradeep Pant to present a small token of appreciation for our guest of honor, Mrs. Kumkum Joshi. I would like to mention here that Mrs. Kumkum Joshi is the wife of Lieutenant Colonel Anuj, who played the finals and he won his tie. He played a great match. So, yeah, the ladies' luck was with him. He bore the pressure and really gave a fantastic performance. We would move on to the prize distribution ceremony. I would request our chief guest to please present the trophies to some of the distinguished players who have been chosen by our jury. So can you please come over and present the trophies? The first trophy for the evening goes to the player with the best forehand in the entire tournament. These prizes have been, we have all taken consideration of the entire tournament, watched very closely how the players have played, and then we are handing out these trophies. So the best forehand for the entire tournament goes to Arpit Gupta.
Arpit Gupta, legend forehand.
Thank you. The next prize is for the best backhand in the entire tournament, and it goes to Jaya Kapoor.
Jaya Kapoor, a young sensation from Uttarakhand. She is world number 700 in professional circuit, and she scored 97% despite
The
of
best serve
playing
in the
tennis
entire
the
tournament.
day before.
This prize
exam.
goes to Piyush Bhardwaj.
Piyush Bhardwaj.
Can I please request everyone to keep clapping going on? It's no mean feat to win these prizes, which are for the entire tournament. The best net player, the best volleyer goes to Rituraj.
Rituraj Patwal.
I have a special mention for Rituraj. The courts were pretty much wet in the morning, and then there was this
Man
guy
who
who
made
came
it
out alone in the
possible for
courts
him.
and pretty much single-handedly dried most of the courts, and then everyone else joined him. So, a special mention for this selfless service, Rituraj. Thank you so much. The next trophy is for the best baseline player for the entire tournament, and it goes to none other than Anil Dhiman.
Anil Dhiman. Humble Anil Dhiman from Panthers, Empower Panthers.
The upcoming player award goes to Jay Anand.
Jay Anand.
A regular every morning at these parade ground courts. Jay, we hope to see you win more trophies and matches
He
in the
was
next
from Easy Spin Warrior.
Player of the tournament, the player who shaped the entire tournament and directed his team for the winning as a winning team. Mandeep Kumar.
Mandeep Kumar from CLTC, player of the tournament.
Thanks a lot. The next round is for the runner-up. I would like all the team members of the runner-up team,
Runner team.
PG Arjun Warriors, to
PG
please come
Arjun
over
Warrior.
and for the trophy. PG Arjun Warriors. Please, all the players, please come over one by one. One by one, so that we can have a picture for each of us.
From wife to
Oh,
husband.
Arpant. And Vikalp. I would now request all the players of PG Arjun Warriors to come over and take the trophy, the team trophy. The runner trophy, I'm sorry. A big hand for the runner-up of the Uttarakhand First Premier Tennis League, third round. PG Arjun Warriors. Close fought match. I would now request the winners to come over one by one and take their trophies. Please come over one by one.
दोनों तेरे घर में पापा विनर है बेटा जीवन से ये कब जाएगा जीवन कसम से इस बात से लग रहा है 11 हो गया 11 हो गया ये 200 मुझे लगा था
And he can share it with his teammates, right? In other tournaments.
Sure. He made you win the doubles. The Sahil was there. Sahil, okay.
The man who guided his team, Ashish Pant, receiving winners
He was
trophy
supposed to
from
win our team.
MBGS Budial.
entire CLTC Warriors, please come over for a trophy. Guys, please keep the clappings on. Here's for the winners, the champions, CLTC Warriors from Chandigarh. The manager and backbone behind CLTC Warriors, Ankit, can you please come over for the trophy? Ankit Kumar. CLTC Warriors, can you please come over? Players of the winning team to please come over and collect their prize money. यहाँ पर उड़ा देंगे। I would like all the players from the runner-up, PG Arjun Warriors, please come over for the prize money. I must tell everyone that this team, the name PG Arjun Warriors came in the memory of Arjun Sharma, a dear friend of, who used to play right here in this courts and who left us too soon. So, this for Arjun Sharma. I would like our chief guest, Shri G.S. Pudiyal ji, to say a few words and motivate us.
सभी क्लब के प्रतिभागी, I welcome you all in Uttarakhand First Premier Tennis League 2026. It was my first chance to witness लाइव टेनिस टूर्नामेंट। तो मैंने जो है लाइव और टीवी में बहुत अंतर पाया क्योंकि टीवी में ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत तेज से स्मैश मार रहे हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत टेक्निकल गेम है। बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने और बहुत अच्छा लगा। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन वंस अगेन चंडीगढ़ एंड ऑल्सो द रनर अप अर्जुन टीम और आयोजकों को, प्रायोजकों को, सबको बहुत बहुत एक सफल टूर्नामेंट के लिए मैं बधाई देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for encouraging us. I would like to sincerely thank the physio team. If anyone from the physio team can come over and collect a small memento from us.
Dr. Anjali Yadav, who was leading the team of physio, receiving a memento from organizers.
Team Physio, who kept all of us in good shape for the entire tournament.
Sanchit
Big
Jain.
hand for all the physios on the courts. I would like to sincerely thank all the umpires and the entire ground staff who has worked day and night for many days in the last 2 weeks, to see this tournament, so that this tournament could see the light of the day. This was a first tournament, and we know there have been many shortcomings, but we promise that we will take care of all of them and have a much bigger, better, and grand season in a few months to come. We'll be announcing the dates for the next season pretty soon. I, on behalf of the Uttarakhand Tennis Association, would like to thank all the players, the chief guests, the guest of honor, the entire ground staff, physios, everybody, and many more who I might have forgot to mention. We close this tournament, and thank you so much. Thanks for being here. Good night.
I would like to introduce CLCT Warriors. So as a team they came here, they won, but I would like to tell everyone that they keep on organizing the same kind of tournament in their own academy. And I think this year I participated in their tournament along with Anuj, and we were lucky. At that time, we were able to overcome their team and reach the finals. We could not win the final trophy, but that was okay. Going there, playing for one day, that was just amazing. And I would like all the team from Dehradun, next time whenever their tournament happens, we would like our Dehradun team to make 2-3 teams and participate in their tournament. Thank you.
Yes, and good evening everyone present here. Thank you very much for inviting us from Panchkula, and we really enjoyed this tournament. Thank you so much, man, for giving a presence in this match. Mandy, Sahil sir, they did very well in this tournament. मैं सभी ऑफिशियल्स को और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम को, प्रदीप सर को, सर आपने बहुत ही अच्छा टूर्नामेंट कराया है और हम आगे भी अपनी टीम लेके आपके पास आना चाहेंगे।
अब पंचकुला चंडीगढ़ से 2-3 टीमें और
नहीं सर, हमारे साथ मैं, दिपेन, मनीष सर सारे मिलकर और भी टीम्स लेके आएंगे, अपने प्लेयर्स लेके आएंगे। बहुत ही अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज कराया, बहुत ही एंजॉय हमने करा, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और बहुत कोऑपरेटिव स्टाफ है यहाँ पे। जो अरेंजमेंट्स है आपने सर फिजियो कराए हैं, एम्पायर्स, और बहुत ही अच्छा सारी चीजों का अरेंजमेंट हमें लगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच प्रदीप सर, थैंक यू।
मैं कहूँगा पंकज सर, ये हमारा नहीं, ये आपका भी टूर्नामेंट है, तो आपको भी 3-4 टीम लाके इस टूर्नामेंट को एक ग्रैंड सक्सेस बनाना है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।